Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Xfinity account is active and that you can sign in. Once you have your My Account username and password, enable Wi-Fi on your phone or laptop and scan for SSIDs. Connect to the Xfinity Wi-Fi SSID. This is the public hotspot network that works with your account. If prompted, choose the method to authenticate, sign in with Xfinity credentials. Doing this now gets you onto the hotspot authentication flow so you can complete access faster. Once connected to Xfinity Wi-Fi, the captive portal should open. If not, open a browser and navigate to any site to force it. Enter your Xfinity username and password, or select a mobile pass or guest pass if available. Make sure to accept terms and allow any required permissions. This lets the hotspot grant you an IP address. After successful authentication, consider marking the network as trusted or saving credentials so future reconnections are automatic and seamless. Finally, verify you have internet by loading a page or running a quick speed test. If you cannot reach the captive portal, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, forget the Xfinity Wi-Fi network, then reconnect to force a fresh authentication. Make sure your account is in good standing and that device software is up to date. These often fix issues. If problems persist, contact Xfinity support or reboot your home gateway. That resolves many hotspot provisioning or connectivity errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.